Hi everyone, Lucas with Seekins. We're here at SHOT Show 2020, booth number 10570. We have our new hit rifle. This is a chassis-driven tactical or precision marksman rifle. And so with this, it has a 24-inch or 22-inch or 18-inch barrel as a standard option. And it's going to be able to have the quick change system with the wrench flats at the front, so you can be able to swap in between calibers and configurations. This is going to be released through our custom shop initially, and so this is a custom-built rifle, one of a kind, to be able to meet your needs. The chassis is a carbon fiber cheek piece that you can raise and lower and also offset for cant. You have an adjustable length of pull, you have the bag rider at the bottom, and then the recoil pad also can be able to be canted, raised, lowered, everything you need. Then, moving on to the other side, we have a dust door that is incorporated into, so as you open the bolt, it go ahead and pops out of the way. You have replaceable M-lock slots on the sides of the chassis body, so that way if you're throwing it against barricades, anything else, and you ding one, it gets damaged, it's easy to be able to swap that out. You're not losing a whole chassis or having to rework. So this is available in the summertime, and so we will be continuing to go through this production release, and so please keep watching for new and upcoming and exciting things. Thank you.
Hey guys, we're at SHOT Show, booth 10570. Come by and see us. These are the new rifles, guys. This is our SP15 rifle. We're launching it here at SHOT Show. They will be deliverable with purchases placed here at SHOT Show in March, guys. We have 3 different variants. This is a great entry-level rifle, guys. You get all of Seekins quality, all of Seekins Precision. You get the Seekins Shooter Satisfaction Guarantee. You get Seekins Unconditional Lifetime Repair Replace Policy Guarantee with these rifles. And they're coming in at an entry-level price tag. They're great for if looking for that carbine to start getting into the series. They're also awesome and very affordable for police departments across the country. That's specifically what we designed these for, was to fit that law enforcement bracket. We have 3 different variants, guys. All of them are $925 MSRP. We have a 16-inch standard M4 style platform. Comes with a Mo buttstock. Has a 16-inch barrel, low-profile adjustable gas block, nest flash hider. It has the SP15 handguard, newly designed just for this model, guys. Has billet upper and lower receiver sets, ambidextrous safety, and that's the 16-inch model, guys. There it is. We have the SP15P, guys, which is our pistol. It comes with the SBA3 brace. Same upper and lower receiver set, SP15 upper and lower receiver set. Low profile adjustable gas block, shorter SP15 handguard. Again, it comes with the nest. All our barrels are threaded, guys. If you want to shoot them suppressed, if you want to put a different brake on there, it's as easy as turning a wrench and you got it on there, guys. So the SP15, again, $925 for any model that we have. The last one is the SP15 DMR. This one is the dedicated marksman rifle, 16-inch barrel, low profile adjustable gas block. Again, the SP15 upper and lower receiver set, and it comes with our Seekins ProComp 10X stock, which is our fixed rifle length stock. Great for having a more stable platform, taking shots that need to be a little bit more precise at a little bit longer distance. This is the system that'll get you set up and get there, guys. $925 on any of the 3 models. Again, we're taking orders here at SHOT Show, deliverable in March. The SP15, guys, it's the newest thing we got. Super excited about it, and they're already doing really well for us.
Hi everyone, Lucas Mattoon with Seekins Precision. Here we have our custom element. We've launched the custom shop in July of last year, and since then it's received great success. Our hand-laid carbon fiber stocks are the perfect mate for the ultralight receiver and our compact but still very maneuverable barrels. So with this rifle weighs in at a mere 5.5 pounds. It has a carbon fiber magazine chambered in 6.5 PRC, our tri-roll fluting, Cerakoted in burnt bronze. It's a great setup for the next expedition that you have to go on. Here's another rifle from our custom shop. This is a 300 Win Mag with our 22-inch barrel. It's tri-roll fluted to be able to have a nice compact size. Our muzzle brake included. It has our Havoc action and the hand-laid carbon fiber. Come by and see this and many more other custom rifles we have at Seekins Precision, booth number 10570.
Hey guys, Matty Nelson, SHOT Show. We're here at the Seekins booth 10570. Come by and see us, guys. We're going to talk a little bit about our M-Series custom rifles. Any rifle that we make, guys, any gas gun rifle that we make is capable of being upgraded to an M-Series rifle. What you do is you call the customer service desk. They're going to put you in touch with me, and then you get to place your order. Custom rifles, guys, you get to pick everything. Barrel length, fluting options on the barrel, gas block selection, color of the rifle, all the options that are available. We'll run through, guys. We'll get you the rifle that's built custom specifically for you. A couple of the ones that we have here at the show, guys. We got this guy right here. This is a replica of one the customer wanted. So we did the same thing. We ran one over because it looked really good. We got our custom Cerakote guys in the shop do this battle-worn look with red and black. Comes with a select adjustable gas block. This one's chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. We have our CQ PDW. We do have it as a production model. This is a custom one. You get to pick, again with the custom stuff, what stock you want, what trigger type, et cetera, and we make it custom specifically for you. Color options, the whole smash, guys. The one up top here is our SP10M. That's the one that caught a lot of attention a couple years ago from things that it's been in and where it's at. It is a fantastic rifle. Heavier profile barrel on that one. That one's chambered in 260. Again, select adjustable gas block, and this one was custom built for the end users, and it's been doing a great job. So it's our M-Series rifles, guys. Again, any production rifle that we make is capable of being customized specifically to you. Come see us at the booth, guys. We're having a great time at SHOT Show 10570.
Hey everybody, Eli Nightingale here at Seekins Precision. We're at booth 10770. Last day of SHOT Show. I wanted to show everybody our Havoc Element. We debuted this summer. So what we've got here is our extreme lightweight hunting rifle. What we took was our Havoc PH1 and we cut the weight down and redesigned the action. So this action is actually aluminum. And this bolt body is aluminum. So we've got a bolt body that's aluminum, a bolt head that's steel. We've got an action that's aluminum. We've got a sleeve that the barrel screws into that's steel. Patent pending wizardry inside there. All right, so this thing, lightweight and very accurate. This barrel that we have, we call it our Mountain Hunter profile, and it's spiral fluted. This barrel is actually 3 ounces less than the same length barrel in carbon fiber. What we also have is an integrated 20 MOA rail, and with that, right behind the rail, we've got an integrated bubble level. So those of you that are going to stretch this out a little ways, pack it to the top of the mountain and shoot, can be assured that it is level. Comes standard with this Cerakote paint job, and also with our carbon composite stock. Weighs in at a total of 5.5 pounds.
Hey everyone, we're here with Seekins Precision. We're looking at the PH2 at SHOT Show 2020. We're at booth 10570, and so come by, take a look at the new products, but specifically here on the PH2s, we have our general hunting rifle. So this is kind of an all-around versatile unit that anyone can be able to have great success with. It offers a 24-inch barrel on our short action calibers and a 26-inch barrel on our long action calibers. They're all threaded 5/8 24, so you can put a muzzle brake or be able to put on your suppressor, any other accessories you need. Our carbon composite stocks is extremely rigid and versatile so that it's not going to get broken in the woods while you're hunting, and it'll hold up to years of use. Also with these on our PRCs and long actions, we have our carbon fiber magazine, and so this is an awesome feature, ultra lightweight. We'll have more magazines available soon. Inside, it's a 20 MOA scope base that's held in place with 5 832 screws. It's a super nice rifle, has the Timney Elite Hunter trigger, and so please come by, take a look at the new products we're offering.
Hey guys, here we are, last day of SHOT Show. Come and see us at Seekins Precision. We got the whole crew here. Come and see us before 4 o'clock when they close it down and we all pass out. Hey, we got our new rifles, guys. We got some new names. We got some new color options. We have the DMR low profile gas block, adjustable gas block, 16-inch barrel. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and it's featuring our 10X ProCom stock with those cool cutouts. We have the SBR8, guys. Nothing changed about that guy except the colors, but we're also offering this super cool Odin stock that comes with the rifle now. It's a spring-loaded adjustable stock. The NX15, guys, lightweight, fast, durable. It's just going to keep running and running, guys. This is my personal favorite rifle. It's one of the best ones we sell. It comes with a low profile gas block, 16-inch barrel. This rifle will go all day and not quit. It's a great shooter. It's super accurate, and will just keep ticking, guys. This is an awesome, reliable gun. Last but not least, guys, we got our CQ PDW. This is our brand new rifle. We debuted it here at SHOT Show. Comes with our select adjustable gas block, so you can shoot it suppressed or unsuppressed. It's got a toolless adjustment system for the gas block, so you can go from suppressed to unsuppressed with no issues there. It comes with also that Odin Works spring-loaded stock. This is a really cool feature, guys. Comes as a pistol or as an SBR. It's got a lot of good traction here at SHOT Show. Come check it out. Get your hands on it before we close down. Thanks for coming, guys, and we'll see you there.